bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, so today I want to show you guys how to make a very fun little happy Father's Day little mini card like this. Really quick, fast, and easy. And I thought it was a really cute card to create. Like in a last minute kind of a thing. I thought it was just super adorable. I'm going to show you the paper pad that I used for the mini card. I bought this paper pad at Michael's not too long ago. It's called Garden Dreams. It's a really beautiful paper pad. It's one of the newest ones that Michael recently came up with. Has absolutely gorgeous images in here. A lot of really pretty flowers. A lot of beautiful gold foil. Look at that beautiful gold foil with the flowers. It's just beautiful. The paper that we're going to use for the mini card is this blue one right here. And it's just a really gorgeous pad. I love this one right here. This is absolutely beautiful with the gold foil and then the butterflies. A lot of beautiful floral designs. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So I would definitely suggest to pick up one of these pads when they have them on sale. Okay, so we're going to use that bluish color that I showed you in the pad to create our little mini happy Father's Day note card. And this is going to be so easy, so quick. Anybody can make this. Now, a little bit of a twist in this little mini card that I came up with is I have these little they're kind of like these pair of men socks that are Happy Father's Day, and they sell these at Michael's, no, not Michael's, I'm sorry, Home Goods. I think it was Home Goods or Marshalls, I don't remember. And so I kind of like got the idea of using this Happy Father's Day little sign and create like a cute little card, because I thought it would be absolutely appropriate, right, for the occasion. So what I did was I kept the little label from the socks, and this is what we're going to use to create our little mini Father's Day card. Okay, very creative, very fun to use, and I thought it would just be like a really fun little sign to create, which actually turned out to be a very good idea, because look how cute this came out. I thought it came out super duper cute. We added the sign, we added some buttons, we added some really fun playing cards, and then the inside we added another sign with some buttons. So I thought it would turn out really fun. So let me show you how I did this. Okay, I'm gonna pull you in. So I already made my little mini card, which you guys know I used the ones that I buy at Michael's as a sample, and I basically just cut it out and create my own little mini cards. Okay, that's basically all I did. So what we're going to do is, what I decided to do is, with this one here, is I went and I used one of my playing cards, and I was looking for the one that says King in the playing card, because it's kind of appropriate. King, Father's Day, it makes sense, right? So I use the playing card to create the mini little note card. And you can use one of these playing cards to create two cards, because what you're going to do is you're going to cut the playing cards in half. As you can see here, this is a one card. I just cut it in half, and one half is for one card and the other half is for another card. So that's basically all I did. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually adhere the half of the playing cards to the front of our little mini note card. Okay. Oh, I already put some tape on the back. Perfect. I did that to save me some time. Okay, and you're gonna basically put it in the front of the card wherever you want to put it. Okay, it doesn't really matter. And then my sign, what I did was I just trimmed out the little advertisement that says one pair crew socks. I just trimmed that out, and I made it into this size, okay? This is the one we're going to put in the front of the card. Before we do that, we're going to add some dimensions in the back, so this can kind of lift up and give the card some nice little dimension, right? I already added some dimension in the back of this card. I'm going to add one more. And these are great cards to make if you have several fathers at your workplace, or maybe you're going to like I don't know, a family gathering for Father's Day and there's a few fathers. These are really great to kind of like create at the last minute, and you really don't need a lot of supplies. So you're going to add this sign wherever you want. I'm going to place mine roughly around this area like that. And that's going to give it like a really cute, simple look to your card. And then what I did is I added some buttons. I tried to find some like, you know, not masculine, but like buttons that are like dark in color. Nothing like cheerful or pink. Something dark that you can use. I like these gray buttons that I used here. I think they're pretty, and they're pretty okay in color. And then I have this silver one that I also pulled out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one button on this end, one button on this end, and then some buttons tucked in, okay? I'm going to use my hot glue for that. If you don't have any buttons, you can always use sequins, or you can always use, you know, stickers. You can change it up if you want. So there I have two buttons on this corner, and I want to tuck in some buttons in here, just like that. So we're going to do that. Right down here. And I'm going to put another one over here. These are also a great way to get rid of all those extra buttons we have at home. I know you have them. Don't tell me you don't have them. We all have extra buttons at home. Okay, there you go. And then I'm going to add a cute little silver one right here. This one I put it on the bottom. I want to put this one right on the top. I don't know, I like the top better. Right here. Okay. And then what I did was I made myself a cute little tiny little bow with this gold thread, which is what we did on this card right here. If you can see the little gold little bow right there, we're going to add that little bow in this corner right here. I already made my bow, if you can see there, and we're just going to add this right in that little corner right there. I'm going to add a little dab of hot glue, and I'm going to add my bow right in that corner right there. And our front of our card is complete. How adorable and easy and quick that was, right? Look how cute that looks. Now let's do the inside. So what I did here with the inside was very simple. I kept it simple as possible. I took another one of these signs and I kind of made a nice little decorative look to it. I'll show you how I did that. So what I did was I just trimmed out the edges, and then I went corner to corner. And then what I did was I just cut the ends. And that gives it that cute little shape to the sign. Okay, we're going to add this sign right in front of the card, but we're going to add some dimensions on that, on the back, because we're going to also add some buttons to complete the look of the little sign. Okay, so we're going to add, now look at your sign and make sure it looks, you know, okay to you. If you think it needs to be fixed, then go right ahead and fix it. Yeah. Okay. You can either tilt your sign, put it however you want. I'm going to put mine just like this. Okay. And then I'm going to finish off my card by adding a few buttons on each end. That's all I'm going to do. Decide which buttons you want to add. I'm going to add this one, and I wanted another gray button. Let's see if I have another gray button. Oh, I do right here. So I'm going to add a gray button on this end, and I'm going to add another button on this end, and I'm going to call it complete. Okay, let's add this down here, and I'm going to add this one right here. Tuck in, just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to add another button. Let's see, right down here on this end right here. Okay, I didn't add it on this one, but I want to add it on that one for some reason. I don't know why, but I think it'll look cute right on this end right here. There you go. I could find another silver one. Let's see, is this it right here? I can put one. Yep, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put one right there. So I basically added buttons on all four corners of my inside sign. That wasn't the plan, but I ran with it because I like the way it looks. And there you have it. And there you have a complete last minute happy Father's Day little mini card. I love it. I think it turned out so cute. I thought it was such a really fun idea for the last minute, right? And I have here the little mini envelopes. So all you gotta do is just put your card in a little mini envelope, and you have to gift it to your friends or whoever you want to gift this to. You can actually write a little message over here if you want. And there you have it. And that is how I made these little tiny Happy Father's Day little mini note cards. I thought they turned out super cute. What do you guys think? You guys like them? I think they're fun to make, and you can always, again, change the buttons to sequins, or if you want to add maybe some bows, some ribbons, whatever you want to add to them. Okay, my loves? All right, honeys, I hope you guys enjoy watching me make these little mini Happy Father's Day note cards, and I hope that you guys are having an awesome day. I will see you soon on my next video. Thank you so much for stopping by, for subscribing, for liking. I love you all, and I will see you soon. Bye, honey bunnies. Have a safe weekend. Bye.